Welcome, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the wild and sometimes wacky world of meme coins in 2025. If you've ever dreamed of turning a laugh into a 1x gain, you're in the right place. Keep in mind, meme coins are highly speculative and come with extreme volatility. This guide explores potential high-reward investments, but remember, invest only what you can afford to lose. Before we get into our picks, let's break down what makes a meme coin a top pick in 2025. First, community strength and engagement are key tokens with active, passionate communities on Twitter, Discord, Reddit, and Telegram often stand out. Next, tokenomics matter. Evaluate the supply, distribution, and any burn mechanisms that create scarcity. Developer activity and a clear roadmap are crucial, as projects that continue to evolve even if they started as jokes tend to succeed. Social media buzz and YouTube popularity can drive trends, while even minimal utility, like a fun voting system or exclusive community perks, can add lasting value. Now, let's explore our top picks for meme coins in 2025. Dogecoin Doge. Dogecoin remains a leading meme coin thanks to its robust community and widespread acceptance. Born as a joke in 2013 featuring the adorable Shiba Inu, Dogecoin sparked a revolution in meme-based cryptocurrencies. Its massive social media presence and celebrity endorsements have kept it in the limelight, driving continued interest and adoption. Shiba Inu SHIB, often called the Dogecoin killer, Shiba Inu leverages its cute mascot and a rapidly evolving ecosystem to build a passionate community. With ongoing developments like Shibarium enhancing its network scalability and utility, Shiba Inu offers more than just viral appeal. Its frequent influencer mentions and evolving narrative keep it trending online. DOGE $DAX. DOGE marries meme culture with cutting-edge artificial intelligence. Imagine a playful, dog-themed token that uses AI for real-time market insights and automated trading. With strong tokenomics, innovative features, and a growing developer community, $DAGZ stands out as a promising candidate for exponential gains. Its eye-catching concept makes it a favorite for viral YouTube content and in-depth reviews. Floki Inu $Floki. Inspired by a famous canine name, Floki Inu taps into meme culture with a fun and energetic community. Continuous updates, strategic partnerships, and consistent viral moments position $Floki as a meme coin with solid potential even as its practical use cases are still emerging. Influencer shoutouts and trending social media content keep it at the forefront of crypto discussions. Peppycoin Peppy. Peppycoin is fueled by the iconic Peppy the Frog meme and represents the unpredictable nature of internet culture. Despite its lack of traditional utility, the coin's value is driven by community enthusiasm and social media buzz. Its rapid price fluctuations and trend-driven momentum make Peppy a speculative yet compelling pick for those looking to catch the next wave of virality. Baby Dogecoin Baby Dog. Baby Dogecoin builds on the legacy of Dogecoin with an even cuter twist. Marketed as a more accessible and playful alternative, Baby Dog has attracted attention for its adorable branding and strong social media presence. Its low entry price and high community engagement have made it a favorite among new investors looking for rapid gains in a fun, meme-driven market. Modcoin Emoji. Modcoin is an Ethereum-based meme coin that taps into the alpha meme culture. With a name that plays on the idea of being the alpha male of the group, $Mod represents community resilience and humor. Launched on a fair basis, it's built for community interaction and offers a platform where shared values and viral content merge to create a unique investment experience. Before you jump in, here's some crucial advice. Meme coins are extremely volatile. Prices can skyrocket or plummet overnight. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Always do your own research by checking the latest updates, reading white papers, and engaging with the community. And remember, this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. To wrap up, meme coins in 2025 offer an exciting mix of high risk and high reward if you're in it for the long haul and understand the volatility. A strong community, solid tokenomics, and continuous development are key factors to watch. If you enjoyed this guide, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below with your favorite meme coin or any others you think deserve a spot on the list. Check the description for more in-depth research and resources. Stay savvy and invest responsibly.